up, Marvel Movie Geeks? Welcome back to the Geek Man Cave and welcome to the final episode of the Infinity Collection. Yes, Geeks, 10 months ago I started the Infinity Collection because I wanted a way to have these amazing items, these Infinity items from the MCU showcased in my Geek Cave. And I wanted you guys to see how easy it would be to create these items using everyday items. And it has been amazing. I have had so much fun making these and sharing the videos with you guys. The Tesseract is my most viewed video on my channel. It's just hit 20,000 views. So thank you so much for all your love and support. It's been amazing. So today, guys, I'm going to be tackling the final stone. Now, this, for me, was probably the most stressful stone item to create. Now, I'm talking Infinity War spoilers, guys, but it is June. So what are you doing with yourself? Get off my channel, go and watch Infinity War, then come back. Seriously, what have you been doing? Soul Stone, I wanted to do something that encapsulate Gamora and Thanos' relationship, because what I loved in the movie, I love the fact that the Soul Stone wasn't just a, we go here, we pick up the stone, we've got the stone, like every other stone has been. It's been a case of, as long as you knew what it was, you could get your hands on it. But this had consequence. This stone actually, in regards to the narrative, developed Gamora and Thanos' relationship together. Also threw in an amazing cameo from the Red Skull, which I thought was an absolute stroke of genius. Basically, you had to give up a soul for the Soul Stone, which I thought was a brilliant idea. So they travel to the planet Vormir and they find out that, again, they've got to sacrifice something they love, a soul. So Thanos throws Gamora off and sacrifices her. He then wakes up in a body of water, and in his hand is the Soul Stone, which we guess has Gamora's soul trapped within. Now, like I said, when I first saw the movie, I absolutely loved this concept, but at the same time, I was like, how am I going to make this for the channel? It's so stressful. I had a few ideas, but I was recently looking on the channel at some of my early videos, and one of the things I did was one of my first videos, I did a trio of plastic bowls filled with different materials to create scenes from the Star Wars films. If you want to watch that video, check it in the link description below. I created a Tatooine one, just using a cocktail bowl, filled it with sand, used a few decorative figures, and I made Tatooine. I did a Hoth one, and I did a Endor one for Return of the Jedi. And I really liked them, and they were a really good way of encapsulating a scene from a movie. So I thought, well, better way to celebrate a year of the channel and The Last Stone than to recreate that sacrifice mounting on Vormir with the two towers at the very top, with that fun little half circle going down the bottom, with the part with Gamora dies at the bottom. I thought, what cool way would it be to have a small, tiny orange light to remember Gamora. It also, that's why I created Gamora's blade in a previous video to go alongside it. Again, if you haven't watched that video, guys, link in the description below. Go check that out. It's super easy building. It looks super awesome and goes really nice with this build. So guys, without further ado, let's create the final Infinity item, the Soul Stone. So guys, the first thing you're going to need is a tea light. Now you can pick these up for a pack of 4 for £1. The great thing about these is they're orange, which is the colour we need. No faffing with wires or LEDs or solder. You can just use one of these. All you need to do is remove the flame part at the top, so you're just left with the LED. And we'll have the switch at the bottom to turn it on. So all you're going to need, guys, is a plastic fishbowl and some air drying clay. Now the plastic fishbowls you can pick up for about £1 everyday shops, plus you can get them online, and then some quick drying air clay. Now all you want to do, guys, is size this up with your bowl and use images online of Vormir. There are a few out there. Give it a Google, and then just basically sculpt into that clay that mountain side. You want those two towers with that little tiny arched part going right down the middle, and then at the base is where you want your light to be. So just place your light underneath and just sculpt that circle bottom. To fit it in, what I'm doing, I'm taking a blade and I'm going to cut around the bottom part of the fishbowl. That way then I can just easily fit the LED light straight into the base, put the clay over the top, and then when it dries, the LED is set in place. Finish off with a few touches and then paint it black and grey. I give it a coat of black first, and then I give it a coat of grey. Don't worry if you miss out some if you've got white clay like me, because it gives it that snowy kind of effect. To finish off, all I'm going to do is the same effect I did with Hoth, is I'm going to give the entire model a slight dusting with everyday home cooking flour. That way you'll have that dusty snow effect. And with that done, guys, you're ready for the final reveal. And there we have it, geeks. We finally did it. We have the 6 Infinity items. We have the Space Stone and the Tesseract, the Power Orb for the Power Stone. We have the Time Stone in the Eye of Agamotto. We have the Reality Stone within the Ether. We have the Mind Stone inside Loki's Scepter. And now we have the Mountains of Vormir for the Soul Stone, including our very epic Infinity Gauntlet. Guys, I hope you've had as much fun watching these videos as I have making them. They have been an absolute blast to make, and I cannot wait to make more props for you soon. I've got a ton of content coming, guys. I'm going to be doing a mini-series soon on Star Wars movie props as well, including a very cool Han Solo collectible from the movie. Guys, again, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for weekly content from the Geek Man Cave. Guys, it's been an absolute pleasure doing this series with you, and I cannot wait to do more. So guys, remember, it's your cave, it's your rules, and I'll see you next time.